Heading back to class this fall? Get ready to make studying smarter, organizing easier, and campus life way more fun. These genius Amazon back-to-school essentials are designed to keep you on track and stress-free all semester long. All the products are linked in the description below. Measuring just got a serious upgrade. This digital tape measure combines a rolling wheel and a laser for quick, accurate results on almost anything: straight lines, curves, or even odd shapes. You can measure flat walls or wrap around cylinders in seconds. The numbers pop up on a clear digital screen, so there's no squinting at tiny marks. And with Bluetooth, you can send everything straight to an app for easy tracking and planning. Typing on the go doesn't have to be cramped or awkward. This foldable Bluetooth keyboard opens up to give you a full typing setup, then folds down small enough to slip in your pocket. The magnetic stand props up your tablet or phone, so you've got a mini workstation anywhere: coffee shop, airplane, or park bench. You can switch between devices with a quick key press. And with hours of battery life, it's always ready when you need it. Paper that never runs out? That's the idea here. This smart notepad lets you jot down notes, scan them to an app, and then wipe the page clean with a damp cloth. You can reuse it endlessly. No more stacks of half-used notebooks. It's designed for both righties and lefties with a top-bound spiral. Lined on one side and dotted on the other, it's ready for ideas, sketches, and everything in between. Imagine a robot that teaches your child how to draw step by step. This little buddy guides kids through fun sketches using cards with animals, objects, and more. It keeps them engaged with music and voice interaction, turning learning into play. As they follow along, they build creativity, focus, and hand-eye coordination. With reusable boards, colorful markers, and 150 drawing cards included, it's endless artistic fun in one smart toy. Cold lunches are a thing of the past. This mini electric lunchbox warms your food so it's ready when you are, whether at work, in the car, or on the go. It heats meals evenly, keeping soups, pastas, or leftovers hot and delicious. The spill-proof lid makes it easy to carry without worry, and with a stainless steel container that's dishwasher safe, cleanup is quick and simple too. Dull pencils don't stand a chance here. This electric sharpener powers through standard and jumbo pencils in just a few seconds, saving you time and frustration. It even stops automatically once the tip is ready, so you never waste lead by over-sharpening. You can choose between a sharp point for detailed work or a blunt tip for kids. With a large shavings bin and easy cleanup, it's built for everyday use. What if your drawings could come to life? This 3D printing pen lets you doodle in midair, turning ideas into real three-dimensional creations. Just plug it in, feed in the filament, and start building shapes, models, or decorations. The speed and temperature can be adjusted, so you're in full control whether you're sketching details or filling in larger areas. With starter colors and a stencil book included, you can begin creating right out of the box. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. Break down language barriers instantly with this smart scan and translation pen. Just swipe it across text, and it scans, translates, and even reads aloud in real time. Supporting over 100 languages, it's perfect for travel, study, or business. With a built-in touchscreen, photo translation, and voice recording, it's like having a translator, dictionary, and note taker all in your pocket. Print anywhere, anytime, with no ink needed. This pocket-sized thermal sticker printer connects to your phone in seconds and lets you print notes, labels, diagrams, and even mini photos instantly. Perfect for students, teachers, or anyone who loves organizing and creating. Lightweight, fun, and super versatile, it's your portable printer in the palm of your hand. Ever tried balancing your laptop on your lap, only to feel it heat up or slide around? This portable lap desk solves that instantly with a sturdy surface, a heat shield to keep things cool, and a retractable mouse pad you can slide out on either side. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to carry, making it perfect for working comfortably from the bed, couch, or even while traveling. Why keep juggling your tablet when you can set it up hands-free? This foldable stand holds everything from phones to large tablets with ease. You can tilt and adjust the height until you find the perfect viewing angle. A heavy base with anti-slip pads keeps your device steady, even if the desk shakes. Best part? It folds flat, so you can toss it in your bag and take it anywhere. Curiosity gets a whole new upgrade with this digital microscope. A built-in 4-inch screen shows you plants, insects, and even fabric fibers in stunning HD detail. With magnification up to 1600x, you can zoom in on the hidden worlds around you. 8 adjustable lights make sure everything is bright and clear. Portable and easy to use, it's perfect for kids who love exploring science hands-on. Keeping school supplies neat has never been easier. This multifunction stationery case stores pencils, pens, erasers, and more in one compact box. The sturdy plastic design keeps everything protected and organized, so you don't have to dig through a messy bag. Lightweight and portable, it's easy to carry from home to class. A simple way to keep students ready for any assignment. Crafting gets a serious upgrade with this versatile paper cutter. It doesn't just trim straight lines, you can switch between blades for perforating, folding, or even a zigzag pinking edge. A clear guide shows exactly where your cut will land, so every project looks precise. Non-slip pads keep it steady while you work. Perfect for scrapbooking, card making, or adding that professional touch to DIY creations. Taking notes just got smarter. This compact voice recorder captures every word in lectures, meetings, or calls with crystal clarity. The built-in AI transcribes in over 100 languages and even summarizes key points for you. With 64 gigabytes of storage, you can save hundreds of hours of recordings without worry. Small enough to slip in your pocket, it's like carrying a personal assistant everywhere you go. Running out of battery on the go is no fun, but this slim power bank has you covered. With built-in cables for multiple devices, you won't need to pack extra cords. It can charge up to 5 gadgets at once, keeping everyone powered up at the same time. A bright digital display shows exactly how much juice is left. Compact and lightweight, it slips into your pocket and is perfect for travel. Say goodbye to crumbs and dust on your desk. This cordless mini vacuum sweeps away messes in seconds, whether it's keyboard dust, paper scraps, or pet hair. Lightweight and easy to hold, it rotates 360 degrees to reach tight corners with ease. Quiet yet powerful, it runs up to 90 minutes on just 2 AA batteries. A simple, handy tool to keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. More than just a pen, This 6-in-1 multi-tool is built for work, home, or on-the-go fixes. Each one includes a smooth writing pen, touchscreen stylus, ruler, level, and both flathead and Phillips screwdrivers. Lightweight but sturdy, it's handy enough to keep in your pocket or toolbox. With 8 colors and plenty of refills, it makes a clever and practical gift for dads, DIYers, or anyone who loves useful gadgets. Fixing tiny electronics doesn't have to be a hassle. This cordless soldering iron heats up in just 7 seconds, so you're ready to repair almost instantly. You get 6 temperature levels to tackle anything from delicate circuits to tougher jobs without risk of damage. If you set it down, it automatically goes into sleep mode, then wakes up the second you pick it up again. Compact, powerful, and perfect for precision repair anywhere. Summer heat doesn't stand a chance with this powerful portable fan. It packs 100 adjustable speeds, so you can go from a gentle breeze to full-on storm mode at the flick of a wheel. The built-in battery lasts up to 25 hours and even doubles as a power bank to charge your devices. A digital screen shows speed and battery life, while the flashlight adds extra safety at night. Compact, tough, and ready for any trip. Printing on the go just got easier. This wireless thermal printer slips right into a bag or car, ready to handle documents, lists, or notes wherever you are. It uses special thermal paper, so you'll never worry about running out of ink. With Bluetooth for phones and USB for laptops, you can print straight from your device in seconds. Crisp, clear results every time. Perfect for travel, office, or even creative projects. Cutting tough materials doesn't have to be a struggle. These cordless electric scissors power through cardboard, carpet, leather, and more with ease. A bright LED display shows speed and battery life, while built-in lights help you cut with precision even in dim spaces. You can swap blades quickly and safely with a simple lock mechanism. Lightweight, fast, and rechargeable, it makes every project smoother and faster. An old idea gets a modern twist with this digital hourglass. Instead of sand, 128 tiny LEDs flow down the screen, creating a mesmerizing effect you'll want to watch again and again. You can set it anywhere from 1 to 30 minutes, making it useful for cooking, studying, or even meditation. The brightness adjusts to double as a calming nightlight. It's part timer, part decor, and fully relaxing to look at.